In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a .psd file from Canva, allowing you to retain all the layers and effects for further editing in Photoshop. This process is particularly useful for those of you who love designing in Canva but need the versatility that Photoshop offers. We'll walk through the steps to achieve this, combining Canva's powerful design tools with the Photoshop compatibility you require. First things first, let's navigate to the Canva website and log into your account. It's important to ensure you're using the correct credentials so you can access all your designs. Once you're logged in, look to the left side menu and click on the Projects tab. This is where you can manage and open any project you've worked on. Once you're in the Projects tab, find and click on Designs. This step is crucial because it allows you to view all your saved Canva projects. Now, go ahead and click on the specific project that you want to export. Make sure to double-check that it's the right one to avoid any unnecessary steps later. With your project open, let's head to the top right corner and click on Share. From the drop-down menu that appears, select the download icon. It's from this menu you'll set up your file for exporting. When prompted to choose a file type, select PDF Standard and remember to uncheck any additional boxes. This ensures that the layers remain separated and not merged, which is critical for maintaining the design structure when you later import it into Photoshop. After choosing your settings, simply click the Download button to initiate the download of your Canva project as a PDF. This file will serve as the bridge from Canva to Photoshop. Next, we'll utilize a handy tool called Photopea. Navigate to the Photopea website, which is a free online photo editor. On the Photopea dashboard, select Open from Computer and upload the PDF file you just downloaded from Canva. Once uploaded, you should see that the layers haven't merged, which sets a solid foundation for editing in Photoshop later on. At Photopea's top left corner, click on File. A drop-down menu will appear. Hover over it, and then click on Save as PSD. This step is crucial because saving as a PSD file is what enables seamless transfer to Photoshop with all layers intact. Once you have your PSD file, open your Photoshop application on your desktop. Go ahead and import this newly created file by clicking Open in Photoshop and selecting your PSD. You'll find that all layers are available for further adjustments and refinements. With these steps, you've successfully converted your Canva design into a PSD file, maintaining all your careful work and giving you the full editing capability that Photoshop offers. Thank you for watching and happy designing.